add and arrange PivotTable fields to change the design and keep large amounts of data organized. Once you've created a pivot table, select any field inside the table to see the field list. Select the checkbox for the field you want to add, and select the box again to remove it. Want to organize data into new columns? Select the field and drag it to columns. To focus on specific data in your report, add it to a top row by selecting the field under Rows and dragging it to Filters. Now choose from the drop-down to display only the data you want and select OK. Reorder summarized numeric data, like sums or averages, in the Values area. To delete a field, drag it outside its Areas section or select the down arrow, Remove Field. You can change how sections are displayed in the field list by selecting the Tools button.